Hi there, it's raining smart bands, and here is another one, the Honor Band 5. So this is a successor of the Honor Band 4 with a better resolution of the display and lot more. I got this for 2,599. In this video, we're going to unbox it, see its features, see whether it's really worth your buck or not. Continue watching this video. This is your friend Texting. Let's get started. So here is finally the retail packaging of the Honor Band 5. It's a small box with Honor Band 5 written on the top. On the reverse, you can see Honor Band 5, large AMOLED display, stylish watch faces, scientific sleep monitoring, water resistant 50 meters with swim stroke recognition, multi-sport functional, swimming, cycling, running, smart notifications, call and messages, and up to 14 days of battery charge. Wow, that looks good. Bluetooth support. Anyway, let's open this up and see. So finally inside the box you have a warranty card and a quick start guide, and here you have the Honor Band 5 with a charging cable and a clip hook that hooks on to the Honor Band 5. So here you have a micro USB to USB cable that plugs into this clip holder. So this plugs in directly here, and this clip holds on to the Honor Band 5. Let's have a closer look at the band. First thing is the strap, and it's glossy and has this nice texture to it. It's made of soft flexible plastic and has this watch strap design which I always prefer. Honor branding on the loop. Here we can see the heart rate sensor and the charging terminals. Just a quick comparison of the Honor Band 4 which I have right here. Damn, they look identical. I could easily mix them and not know which one is which. Same strap, same design. The display, however, on the Honor Band 5 is much better. So let's remove the screen plastic for a better view. The display looks amazing. You can see the text is sharp and bright, so it's easy to read. Let's have a look at the interface. Going down, you'll see steps taken, the percentage of steps completed, heart rate, sleep tracking, workouts, more. Inside more you have timer, stopwatch, watch faces. Here are the watch faces. There are around 3 watch faces. Oh, look at this one. Looks absolutely stunning and vibrant. Analog watch face lovers, this one is for you. So colorful. There are only 3 watch faces available by default on the device. As of now, you cannot add more. The display brightness also can be adjusted as per personal preference. But always remember, the more the brightness, the lesser the battery life. There is a messages tab where your phone notifications can be checked. Let's have a quick look at the Huawei Fit app. Download the Huawei Health app from your App Store or Play Store. Pairing the band was a simple, easy process. When pairing for the first time, you might get an update. Wait for it to complete. Once paired, on the top left, you will find the fitness data of each day. Steps, calories, floors climbed, and more. Workouts where you can start your workouts. In devices, you will see Honor Band 5, Huawei True Sleep. It is to check accurate sleep monitoring, activity reminders if you are sitting idle, continuous heart rate monitor, set alarms, raise wrist to wake screen turned on, notifications where you can choose which apps you want to receive notifications and which ones you don't. Testing a call notification, the band vibrates and displays the name of the caller. You can reject a call or silence the ringer from your band, which is amazing. Also, app notifications such as WhatsApp work like a charm. The Honor Band 5 is IP68 water resistant. Here is a quick water resistancy test. As you can see, it's fully submerged and it's working absolutely fine. You can wear it in the rain, in the shower, in the swimming pool, no problem at all. So finally, in my conclusion, is the Honor Band 5 worth it? Well, let's see what it has and what it doesn't. Firstly, great battery life. They're claiming to have 14 days of battery life. Now, this is an unboxing and overview video, so checking the battery is almost impossible so soon. But with the previous experience of the Honor Band 4, the battery lasted for 8 to 10 days on rigorous use. That is, when I was wearing it almost every day. And 8 days of battery life, I think, is extremely impressive for a color AMOLED display. Coming to the step counter, calories burnt, everything else is quite accurate. Then comes to sleep tracking. Sleep tracking works perfectly fine. Talking about the display, The resolution of the Honor Band 5 is definitely better than the Honor Band 4. It's sharper, it's crisper, and the colors are more vibrant and punchy. Watch faces are limited though. They are different and newer from the Honor Band 4. There are new watch faces and they look simply stunning, bright and vivid. Now they are only limited, you cannot add more because there's no store available currently for more watch faces, but apart from that, there are great options available already. So finally coming to the price, well, it's currently selling for 2,599. It might be a little overstepping the price because I think anywhere under 2,500 would be a great price. We're expecting the Mi Band 4 to be selling around 2,000 rupees. That is going to be a deal breaker. But currently this is the best option available. 2,599 for Honor Band 5, AMOLED display, sleep tracking, 50 meters swim proof. It is great. It's a good buy. It's a great gift as well. So if you're looking to gift it to someone, this is just the perfect option available. So if you'd like to buy one or gift it to someone, I'll leave the links in the description. Do check them out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. Also, if there are any questions regarding the Honor Band 5, please mention them down in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.